So in 1920, it gets put on the ballot by the Board of Supervisors to raise $225,000 to build a new courthouse. That sounds like nothing now.
Yes.
And it passes. Well, that's not even enough to do what they really wanted to do. So H.H. Dow, founder of the Dow Chemical Company, Herbert Henry Dow, I should say. H.H. is shorthand, but H.H. Dow, founder of Dow Chemical Company, riding really high off this wildly expanded company coming out of World War I, goes to the county Board of Supervisors, offers to give them every red cent that they need to build a big, wonderful new courthouse.